How to save post on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can save and organize post on Instagram. Whether it's a photo, video or a valuable find, learn how to keep your favorite content easily accessible. To start, open your Instagram application. In the home page feed, scroll down to discover post from others. Once you find a post you want to save, look for the bookmark icon located below the post. Click on the save icon, the bookmark symbol below the post. This action will save the post to your Instagram account. Note that the Instagram now allows collaborative saving with friends in the chat section, providing a shared collection feature. If you want to explore the collaborative saving feature, click on it and add friends to the saved collection. If not, simply click back and your post will be saved in your Instagram account. To check your saved post, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon below. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top to reveal additional options. Look for the saved option below the QR code and click on it. In the saved section, you will find all the posts you have saved previously. Explore and organize your saved content easily. This feature is especially handy for keeping a track of content you want to revisit later. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.